Hello everyone, welcome to video number 2 of the Excel beginner series. In this video, I will show you how to create and save Excel workbook for beginner. So let's start. And here to create workbook, simply press the shortcut key Ctrl plus N and you will see that the new workbook has been created. You can see the current workbook is book 5. When you press the Ctrl plus N, and here you can see book C means new workbook is created. Okay, that's it. Now let's see to save Excel file. Okay, simply go to the file tab. So this is a tab, file tab, and you can see the left hand side have some option. Then click on the save as option and select here your laptop, desktop, this PC. Okay, if you want to save in OneDrive, you can select here the OneDrive option also. So I select here the this PC, and here the one dialog box is open, save as. You can see here that this is a destination user admin in documents folder here showing. Okay, so I'm going to save this file in desktop. So I select here the desktop and you can see this PC desktop. The desktop location is open. Okay, now I just edit here the file name. You can easily edit here. I just enter here. Okay, and cells data, then save as type, file type, Excel workbook dot xlsx. This is a file type of Excel workbook. If you want to change it, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the number of file types is available. Okay, you can select it and you can change here the file type also. After that, just click on the save, and when you go to the desktop, you can see your Excel file is saved here. Okay, and you can see your name of Excel file also changed. Okay, after you save once, you can use here the shortcut key Control as. When you enter something data, you can use your shortcut key Control as, and there is a one shortcut with just in quick access toolbar. You can see here the save option also will just click on it and it automatically save it. Okay, and the third one, just go to the file. Now you can click on the save option to save the Excel file. Okay, so this way you can use the save option in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.